Let's say they have 20 million naira and you don't give the person admission when there is college migration. Come. Make I tell you something. Because now I am provoked, I am angry. College migration is the surest love for you. If you want to study abroad, anything abroad, if there's maybe if any of the school, both for UK, Canada, USA, Malta, any school at all, college migration, they there. And agent fee is free. You don't need to pay agent fee. I'm not saying no, I know for my mouth to go here and say other people they collect agent fee money, but for college migration here, we know they will collect. We don't collect it. There's a sure best love for you. And if I can't tell you something, the application fee is something that it is flexible. Now something when you know say you go feel pay. If you know say you want to study abroad, college migration will advise you because in this place will give you different advice. If you want to study abroad, just like the CEO of college migration said in the last episode, you guys get skills. Because definitely, if you are studying abroad, you will have other things to do. Like you want to pay your tuition fee, you want to pay your housing fee, you want to do this and that, accommodation and the like. And you want a situation whereby you will go there and be stranded and you be like, oh, I wasn't told. Hey, they did not tell me. College migration is telling you today. If you know you want to school abroad, you know you want to do anything abroad like, don't go anywhere. No go the waka, no go the mago, no go the checkpoint. So you carry your children like go college migration because it will give you a sure admission. You see, for college migration, make I come show, we get different schools for different countries. Yes. We have different schools in different countries and the part of the world. So if you know that you want to school in a relaxed mind, you know, so you want school, you know, so you know, maybe they scam you. Then you go there one agent say you want school, then they say bring this amount, and then you pay. Or you're lower, you're on your own. College migration will not do that for you. They won't tell you to bring this, bring that, pay this, pay that. We active, we are sharpened, we straight where we are always on point. So we are going to definitely give you that admission that you seek. And also, if you know you want to apply to the school, probably you will go on to www.collegemigration.com. When after logging in, you know you're going to see some schools and the like. Please make sure that you contact the customer care representative to put you through. Because you also need that to put you through. Because they will tell you what and what to do, how to do it, the kind of school you can apply to, with the kind of money where you get. Ew! College migration and the civil property. They will tell you the kind of, there is nothing like, okay, I have this kind of amount of money or I have this money and because of saying that the kind of money where I don't get up to that, because of that, I don't feel school at work. Come college migration. We will shock you. Come college migration, we will shock you. We will let you know, say, with any money where you get, you can still enter school. Because the customer care will put you through, will tell you, okay, fine. Now like this, you will take to one. This is how you will do it. This is the school you will apply to. This is what you will submit in. And let me tell you something. We are the only one in Africa, you get, that we have this thing of do it yourself. Oh, you don't hear that before. Do it yourself. You don't have to start looking for someone to put you through. It's something that you just have to log on to www.collegemigration.com. You submit your documents, you do this, you that, all by yourself. You don't have to pay someone to help you. If you know say it's not too difficult for you, you don't know what to do next. Please call customer care representative. They will put you through. Please beware of scammers. Beware of people telling you that, okay, we can do this for you. This is called lie. Beware of scammers. College migration will give you the school where you like. Peace of mind. Peace of mind. And they will also put you and also advise you on what to do when you get over there. Please, admission is sure in college migration. So now we don't come to the end of this particular episode. See, you know that this particular episode is different from the normal one we do. We just want to throw in one line so that everybody can actually understand what we're doing over here. Both the people who not to understand grammar, we just mix them up together and still collabo. So you should just listen. So that was the end of today's episode from College Migration TV. If you know that you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hurry up and do so by clicking on the subscribe button. So and support us on our study abroad journey and for you to get the latest episode from College Migration so that you know go miss road. And also, if you know that your phone of not liking, commenting or sharing, maybe you are seeing, you see our video now, you will just fast and bad. People go back. Go back and comment. Go back and keep on liking, keep on sharing. We are seeing what you're doing. Thank you very much. And also, if you know that you don't follow some of our socials, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter. Make I repeat them again for the sake of people who don't hear me well. Maybe the grammar too big. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and then Twitter. If you don't say you never follow us at College Migration, I beg, hurry up and then do so. I still remain your beautiful, elegant, or going get TV host. People, if I popularly known as POP. See you on next episode. You know, go nowhere. Bye for now.